Welcome back to Zapata George on YouTube. Today we're going to cover two lessons in one sitting. First of all, we'll cover the type of market. Second, how you set a stop-loss order. Now, the type of market. You think that I'm going to say bull or bear. I'm not going to say that. There's two types of market. There's a hard asset market and there's a paper market. Now, one is in a bull market while the other most likely is in a bear market. Then it changes. The other one takes command. Well, recently, over the last 30 years, this is what the cycle has looked like. Paper markets were in control until 1970. From 1970 to 1980 was a hard asset market. Gold went to $900. Oil soared from $3 a barrel to $40 a barrel. Then in 1980, things changed. You remember lesson 1. 1980 was a critical year. Then began a paper market that lasted for 20 years. Paper soared until the year 2000. At that time, the market took a real tumble from which the NASDAQ has never recovered. It's still down over 60%. But hard assets came to the fore. Now, hard assets are going to be the thing for a very, very long time. There's some driving forces, which we will cover. And there's also some very interesting pictures. Now, these are difficult to see on this format, but this is an example of what the S&P 500 would look like if you had used gold to buy it instead of US dollars. You probably can't see it. Well enough to read it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to post this and a similar chart using petroleum on the CanBrit Oz website. They'll be free to view. Please go there and see them. Now then, let's go to lesson number 4. The stop-loss order. You hear people on Wall Street talk about a trailing stop 10% below your purchase price, blah, 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 blah. Those things don't mean anything. I'm going to give you a stop-loss order that is personalized. You will know when to do it. Now, you've heard the expression, the deer trapped in the headlights. Well, if you enter into a trade or an investment and you get the feeling that you're the deer trapped in the headlights, I offer both of you exactly the same advice. Get the hell off the road. Now, you know that that price is going to be different for everyone. That's why I'm giving it to you, because it's your way of enacting a stop-loss order. Nobody's going to have that feeling in the gut of their stomach like you're going to have. Now, in my investments, sometimes I get unhappy with them, but if I know where they're going, I just add to my position if it goes the wrong way initially, because you never put all your money in at one time. But that's how you set your personal stop-loss order. Now, I'm announcing on this lesson that very soon the $2 window at zapatageorge.com will be open, and you will be able to procure for $2 each my opinions on many, many varied subjects. Thank you for your attention today.